it to remove the coil, disconnect the connector, just push down right on this tab and slide the connector off. Pull this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. Remove that bolt and then grab the coil and just slide it out. With the new coil, it's always a good idea to add a little bit of dielectric grease in there. Sometimes coils come with it. And take the coil, slide it in position. Take the bolt. Get the bolt started. And then we'll use a torque wrench and tighten this to 66 inch-pounds. That's good. Now we'll connect the connector. And then we'll do the same procedure for the other ones.